Gold mining is destructive and toxic to the land and water. So the economic benefits of gold mining are threatening the long-term health of the land and the people in the interior.
Dimo lobi asia bokwe.
Kwa kumuro.
Dimo lobi asia bokwe.
If you na be drink water, that's all kaya bakata ngono. Ino malibi. No one sunny day libi and once one coach awanja go swigi the broom na water dingi. No one libis man malibi sondo drink water.
We hebben problemen met drinkwater. En het is bijzonder slecht water. Onze rivierwater is onbruikbaar. Maar we zijn genoodzaakt, als het niet regent, rivierwater te gebruiken. Ook drinken, kleren wassen, eigenlijk voor alles.
Want daar kijk dat naar een mooi kijkje voelen en wat dat bekijken gevaarlijk. Maar nou nog wat weet je against het wat melk wat koffie. Da wat dat je aanboen. Da afuveli inomandinge. Paude ya wapiki tu diro tenke wa VIP wi. Tede te kom da de ki udia wa fuka. Ule rabi wata.
Ono sapsuma e woro ko dapre of na popnakkers of na IM gold, maar watra minderineti watra e doti en uit mopoko faden. Nade tu doorpoet tussen makakriki na commissaris Kodre. Gomit kwaku grong, gomit piki sarong na ondrosei. Watra e doti du da wesi.
Go to. Yeta go to the woko na wataini. Na aliba. So jinja wata ad ode shika ube. Ebe defisi se fite kisi defisi nyang defisi ne bu 5 minutes so defisi poli awata bu mo ye no ma dinga liba wata
aliba na principe we kiswatra abusi na supermarkt na apotheek maar op een gegeven moment uno me gebruik voor de sandismoro.
Abata ya mutiengo ya foto go lei de tama da medesi taki so emiti uno ya nyawe dingia nikaba gata ni funi
na watra e do problem.
Dr. Rossell is a public health physician at the University of Washington. He started volunteering with Suriname Indigenous Health Fund in 2009.
Diarrhea, it's one of the top killers of children worldwide. And in some places, it's the #1 killer of children. And with a little bit of soap and adequate amounts of clean water, and some very inexpensive rehydration solutions, it's pretty much can vanish. I don't know what would happen if we just assume that, at least, if you had a big family, at least one of your kids would die from diarrhea, and that was just a given. I mean, that just wouldn't fly in the U.S. But that's the reality in a lot of places.
And how many chinere asan lati kid fador pujagba? A diarrhea sani.
A lot of children already died from this village.
De onsa tan baka kofrede takino. Altijd diarrhea kirapching. That's my Alfred Tanja.
What they do is they use high-pressured hoses and liquefy the soil.
It's run through a sluice box, and gold is heavier, so it's trapped in the in the mesh in the sluice box, and at the end of a period of 1 to 3 to 5 days or something, the sluice box is stopped and the mats are shaken out, and the gold has settled out and gotten trapped in that mat, and the rest of the lighter sediments have been washed away, except for what they call black sand. It is about the same weight as the gold, and so those two are mixed, and to clean that up and to separate the gold out, the miners add mercury, and it selectively binds the gold. And then they wash away the black sand, and they take that gold mercury amalgam, squeeze out as much of the mercury as they can, burn off the rest, and you're left with gold that still has some mercury left in it, but that's what they take to the gold shops and then sell. The gold shops then penalize them for the contaminants, and then they further burn off more of the mercury and purify it and then work it into whatever final form that they sell and export.
If you not drink water, that's all kaya bakata gono. Normally be no one sunny day libi and once one culture or the awanja go swig the broom na water dringi.
Dimo, lobi asia bokwe. Dimo, dimo.